So first open the isometric draft. So once you isometric the draft, this sheet it will be visible, and this sheet is an A2 format, so that we need to convert into the A4. Come on the sheet, so right click, sheet setup, click make it to A4 sheet and check the box, save default and OK, and fit to the screen. And here the question. An equilateral triangular lamina is 25 mm side, lies on one of its side is on HP. So that we need to solve the side based condition. The lamina makes 45 degree with HP and one of its median is inclined to 40 degree to VP. Draw the projection. So here it's they mentions it's one of its median is inclined to 40. So that we need to solve the beta angle problem. So come on here, so just I'm pasting the same question here, so just enlarging. So first thing is equilateral triangular lambda. First we need to draw the triangular lambda 25 mm sides, so that select the sketching, select the line thickness is 0.13. For first we need to draw the xy line, here the xy line, and give the namings. So this is for only for visual purpose. I increase the 5 mm. So this one is x and this endpoint is y, and this will come in the first quadrant, so that VP by HP. So first we need to draw the equilateral triangular line of 25 mm side. So select the line thickness is 0.5. First we need to draw the triangular lambda. So just click anywhere. So this length is 25 mm. First angle is 0 degree, enter, and again side is 25 degree. Second angle is 120 degree, enter, and again side is 25, angle is minus 120 degree, and enter. You will get the triangular lamina. So based on our conditions, we need to rotate this triangle. So select the entire things, click on the rotate, and first wherever you click, that one is a fixed point, another one is rotating point. So yeah, switch off the copy is not required. So after getting the vertical symbol, right click, so then move this one to the upward positions. So now we need to draw the project to the upward direction. So before that we need to give the namings for this one, and this endpoint is A, this endpoint is B, and this endpoint is C. And here also show the measurements of this one, 25 mm. So once it's done, so now project upward direction. Select the line, projection line thickness must be 0.13. So from here to here, and from here to here, and this is the triangle is in top view. Next, front view. How the front view of the triangle it will be looks like on a straight line. So that make it to line thickness is 0.5 and join from this end point to this end. This is the front view of the triangle. So here also give the namings. Just zoom it and give the namings. So this one is A dash and another one is B dash. It will both it will be lies on the same point, and another one is in C dash. So fit to screen. So first step is completed. Till here is completed. The one of its side is on HP. So one of its side in the sense A and B is the side, so it will be lies on the HP. Makes an angle of 45 degree with 45 degree. So that select click on the select tool and select this entire front view and click on move option. Copy is on. Click on the endpoint A, B. Zoom it and click. So next paste it here on the certain distance and right click. So now click on the rotate. How much angle we need to rotate this one? On HP 45 degree. So first wherever I click, that one is a fixed point, another point is rotating point. So here copy is off. Here in place of angle, make it to 45 degree and enter. So right click. So till here is completed 45 degree. And here immediately show the angle 45 degree, and it's fine. Now project downward directions. So projection line thickness is again 0.13. So from AB to, so here, right click. So again from C to C, right click. So now is forward direct projections. So click. So from B to here, click. And C to N1, click. So again here, again you got the all the 3 points. So again you need to rewrite. So click on the more option. So this one also here, and here also this one is A point, and this is a B point, and this one is a C point. Right click. So now select, click on the line, click on the line thickness is 0.5. Next join A to B, B to C, C to D. Okay, so here just add one more line from here to here, the same way from here to here. Okay, just give the namings. This one is a D1 and this point is D point. Just move this one as a little bit forward. Okay, so now measure from C to D. This one is at 21.6 and C to D1 is 15 point something. Okay, so now fit to screen. So now here the median is inclined to 40 degree to HP, right? So that click on the angle right line. So take the line thickness is 0.13. So here take an angle of 40 degree. Enter and minus 40 degrees angle. Enter. Right click. So here show the angle. From here to here is this one is 40 degree. Is there right? 40 degree. That's it. So now this CD1 distance is 21.61. So that line we need to draw it on the 40 degree angle line. So select the line. So here you can make it the line thickness is 0.5. So on this line click anywhere and this length must be 21.65 and enter. So this angle must be again minus 40. So at the end point we need to draw the locus line. So that line thickness must be 0.1. So here you will get the dotted lines. So just draw the one line. So this line is called a locus of D. Alright. So this is the point. Now take the distance between C to D1. So select the arc by center point. So here again thickness must be 0.13. So this is the C point, and D1 we need to get that here we need to add the radius is 15.31. 15.31 and enter. Okay, so now here we need to cut an arc. So zoom it and cut an arc. Okay, so after cutting an arc, select the line. Line thickness is again 0.13. So from this point to this intersection. So here just zoom it and you will get the intersection cross symbol. Once you get the cross symbol, just right click. So now fit to screen. So after that we need to identify the beta angle. So this line we need to extend till it just touches to XY line. So that here in the split options you will get the one more extend to next. So come on this line, zoom it and come on this line, you will get the it extended the line. So now measure the angle from here to here. You will get the 65 degree. So that one is your beta angle. So now last step is, so click on the select the entire triangle of here. So select entire thing is selected. Now click on the move, copy is on, click on C point and zoom it, and this end point must be your C point. So once you click left, right, left click. So next, so already this one is selected one. So click on the rotate. So click on the C point. First click that must be fixed point. Click on the D point. So D point must be need to place it on this beta angle. So, so before that, check here whether copy is on or off. Here in my condition, copy is off. So that we need to place it on here. Right click. So after that, fit to the screen. So that's it. So now extend the line. So draw the projections to the upward to get the front view of the triangle. So select the line. Line thickness must be 0.13. So from here, forward directions. Just draw. So next A point is on XY line. So again B point is on XY line and C is on the top here. So this much is a extended line, you can trim it. This much extra, you can trim. So now click on the select. Now line thickness is 0.5. So before that, just click on the text and this one is A and here also A. So this point must be your A dash. Write it A dash. And this here is B and here is B. So this point is your B dash. So B dash. And here I see, here is C. On this top point must be your C dash. So now select on the line. Line thickness must be 0.5. Now join from A to B, B to C, and C to A. So once it's done, next fit to screen. This is the solution of the given question. So yeah, equilateral triangular lamina is 25 mm sides. So 25 mm side of triangle we have drawn, and the front view of the triangle must be a straight line.